Let's talk about how you can change your Google Maps information in search. If you own a store or business with a physical address where you see customers, you can claim the listing on Google My Business. Google My Business is a free tool that helps you manage how your local business appears on Google Maps or search. If your business serves customers at a particular location or within a designated service area, Google My Business helps people find you. Google My Business is useful for maintaining accurate information about your business in Google Search, for interacting with your customers, and for attracting new customers. Verified businesses on Google My Business are twice as likely to be considered reputable by users. It's very important that you keep your business information up to date so that customers can find you. Sign in to your Google My Business account to edit your business's details. You will only have editing access if you have first verified your listing in Google My Business. The details you can edit on your Google Business are your business name, your business category, your hours of operation, your phone numbers, your website URL, photos for your business, your opening date, and the address. And that's it. This video concludes the Search for Beginners series. However, there are many more videos coming up to the Google Webmasters YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed already, consider clicking the subscribe button and tapping the little bell to receive notifications if you are watching on mobile. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website.